distant remarks to remind me what we are. Dim romantic sparks, we all fall down, so we can all cover our eyes from explosions in the skies. Can you feel them burning? Can't you feel the earth tilt? Can you feel my heartbeat pounding into nothing? Broken bones are floating in my empty body. Can you feel it reaching, moving through the feeling? Won't you bring me down? Won't you bring me down to dark, distant remarks to remind me what we are. Something I can't handle, and I know it's a surprise.
I can do it.
I stand sometimes, but I've written my goodbyes on a folded napkin, slipped inside